Hi guys, it's Misty. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so I have something super exciting to share with you today. This is something I've never done before. I met Candace through the Save the Crafty YouTuber blog hop that Justine Hovey recently did. And her and I got to talking and we decided we wanted to do something together. So what we've done is she put this kit together for me. She has the same items that she sent to me, she has, and we're both going to make a card using the exact same items, and then we'll, see what each of us came up with using the exact same items. And then I will do the same. I will put a kit together, send it to her, and then using the same items, we will make a card and then kind of compare and see how similar they are or how completely different they are. So this just sounded like a lot of fun. I've never heard of this. Maybe card makers do this all the time. I don't know, but it's new to me. And Candace seems really sweet and she's very creative. So I jumped on this opportunity. So her YouTube channel is Candace's Canvases. Love that name. I'll put a link to her YouTube channel in the description below. So be sure to check out her channel as well. And I think that covers it. So let's dive on in. I got this yesterday and took everything in me to not open it yesterday. I was so excited I wanted to rip it open, but I didn't, so let's do it now. Okay, wow, that's a heavy... Ow, I knew I was going to do that. Son of a bee's nest. Paper cut. Oh, those things hurt. Anyway. There's nothing else in there, but it's a really heavy envelope. That's how that post office gets you, huh? Alright, let's try this again. I don't know if it matters. I mean, I guess it does. You probably don't want to broadcast your address to everyone. But anyway, so I had to cover those up. Alright, so this is so cool. I thought this was like a bunch of different washi tapes, but it looks like it feels like one solid thing. So I've never seen anything like that. It's very cool. Anyway, so she decorated this. It says it's a good day to have a good day. Love that. It's so true. Do I have a stamp that says that or something? I've seen that before. It's a snail mail there. It has these cute little heart stickers. So on the back it says, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint." Isaiah 40:31. That is very cool. I love that. I love that she put that on there. Anyway, okay. Now we're getting into the good stuff here. Okay. Ooh. I'm so excited. Okay. I just don't want to take it apart. How cute this is. Very nicely presented. Ooh, I love... I was going to say I love the little envelope, but I love the washi tape too. I just bought so much washi tape from Michael's Wednesday. I went out of town and I stocked up on washi tape. Got a good deal at Michael's. Alright, come on. Maybe we'll take it out like this. And some of this I think, is going to be absolutely new to me because I tend to stick to... How come I can't get you out of there? I tend to stick to the same... There we go. The same things over and over. Oh! Look how cute that is. That's very cool. Okay. So we got these adorable images right here. Oh. Did you stamp these? Oh yeah, I wish I knew. You know what I should have had you... I should have had Candace send me where these things, who these things are from. So we got a couple cameras here. Oh, it says Jelly Bean Soup. Oh, she did. Okay, so she put AI on that one. Do I have that one? All right, nope, wasn't even close. But I do have some art impressions stamp sets, but I don't have this lovely lady. She'll be fun to color. All right, and then this one is Coffee by Stampabilities. Love anything that has to do with coffee. Coffee over everything. Thanks, latte. But first, coffee. I want to make a sign with my silhouette that says something like that. All right, and then we got some more of these adorable people stamps. I've never seen these. I don't know who these are from. They're very cool. Some of these things I just might have to ask, what do you do with these? So far, so good though. All right, and so we got a cute little bag of sequins, some really pretty golds and some some translucent. I can't ever remember what those are called. The ones that change color when you move them. Oh, this is cool. What a great idea. So it's little tags in there. And then she, that is very clever. And then she put this washi tape around it. That is very cool. I love all those washi tapes too. All right, ooh, that's cool too. So you got like some postage images there. I recognize this paper. This was in, what was it, the Simon Says Stamp card kit, I think, a couple months ago. And she cut out these cute little images there. Ooh, that's cool. You know, like film. They're the film fitting there here so far, but that would be cool. I like those. I've never seen. Is that a die, I wonder? Should have had her maybe make me a little note where all this stuff is from. So we got some cute little doilies in pretty colors. Mint and pink. My favorite color. And then you got a tan there. Love that. Very cool. I'm loving these little bags too. Oh, this is cool. This is very cool. Okay, so this is a postcard from Oregon. Wow, look at that. Where do you get stuff like this? I never even come across stuff like this. This is very cool. The stamps, the florals. That is so cool. Where did this come from? I gotta know where these things came from now. Alright, and then, not quite done yet. What I learned, what you can do though, when you watch a video, and I love this feature because we're always, you know, stressed for time and always in a hurry, you can click on, if you click on the three little dots somewhere on your screen, you can go to the speed of the video and you can bump up the speed to 1.25 to 1.5, all the way, I think you can do it to up to 2, and it just makes the video go faster. 1.5 is a little too fast sometimes, but 1.25 is good because you can still understand what the people are saying, and then it kind of speeds up the video. So, oh, there we go. That's what I was just saying I needed. Okay, gonna do that again. I didn't realize I had her address at the bottom. It's a P.O. box, but it's not my business to share, so I'm just gonna go over what she has in this kit. See, this is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, so it says in this kit there's an assortment of stamped images. We have some washi samples, which, okay, so we have that, which I loved, and then some washi tape there. Excuse me. Okay, so we got some die cuts, some doilies. We have ephemera images and stamps. Maybe that's these images. I don't know. I've never heard of that. So, vintage postcard, which I love. Seam binding ribbon, which is this stuff right here. I think. Where am I? Rolled paper strips. So this is the rolled paper strips here. So we got some really cool, like wood grain. Got some pretty feathers. Those are really pretty. And then a floral too, with this really pretty pink color to it. All right, and then we have ruffled crepe paper. That's what these are. I got some black and some white. Sequin bead mix right here. Love that. And okay, so she made herself the identical kit of all this stuff. And then this, I wonder, I don't know what that is or where that came from. Maybe that's what this is, I don't know. Okay, so the rules, we got some rules here. It says very loose rules. That's good. The rules are, hopefully I'm not showing her dress. Maybe I should have just covered that. You know what? I'll reuse this fussy cutting post-it tape again. Well, I'm getting all kinds of use out of that. Okay, so the rules are make 3 different cards. Your cards need to have items I've sent you used as most of the design. Use your own sentiment, optional. Use your own pattern paper, optional. Use your own card bases. Send your 3 cards to me so I can do a side-by-side comparison. I am happy to send them back to you. Have fun, of course. And let's see, I hope to see some updates soon. So good. Okay, so yeah, so this is what we got. See, never done this before. I should have opened this first and then it would have explained it to me. But so anyway, we got this really, I love this. This is really cool. If I can pick it up. I love this, the stamps on this, very cool. It's got a very vintagey vibe to it. And we got some pattern paper here. Again, some cool images. These are really cool too. I like these. And that's very cute. But I really like these. They just remind me of models from like the old catalogs. Do you remember? Do you guys ever used to get these really fat catalogs from, I think it was Sears or JCPenney's or something? But that's what these images remind me of. That was back before we had internet. My kid looks at me like I'm crazy when I say that. I think he thinks I'm 100 years old. Anyway, I love these images. That's what they remind me of, the old, like Sears catalogs, Penny's catalogs. Alright, so this is everything here. So now I get to play around and make some cards with this. Definitely out of my comfort zone, which I love doing because I'm never quite sure, but whatever, I put it out there anyway. I'll make something, and I always end up liking them, so that's why I like kind of stepping out of my comfort zone. So next time I will hopefully be sharing a card with you. Alright, thanks! Don't forget to look in the description below and head to Candace's Canvases. Alright, thanks! See you later!